and remarkable event in the life of your ABC, Mr. Bwala. He be promoted to the rank of ASP 1, and he is here to be decorated by you with the assistance of his commandant. So without wasting more time, Your Excellency, I will call on the commandant, the commanding officer, to please present him for decoration.
We are here this morning in honor of one of our personnel and happen to be your APC, the person of ASP Bwala. So the officer, we are here because of him, happened to be one of our personnel. Before he arrived here, he served in so many capacities as conventional police in Taraba State. He has also served in Special Protection Unit based in Bauchi. He has also served in Mopolpo, Ibadan. Before December last year, he was mobilized to come to Mopolpo, Benin as a unit commander. So, permit me to invite ASP Bwala to come for decoration. This officer, sir, as you are seeing him, is a very dedicated officer, and that is one of the reasons why I approved his posting to come here to serve you as the ADC. Your Excellency, sir, thank you very much.
The decoration of our very own ASP Yusuf Bwala with new ranks from ASP has been done by His Excellency, the Deputy Governor of the State, Right Honorable Comrade Philip Shaibu, as well as the force Ogida ACP Habibu Ragi. Can we please have a round of applause? Congratulations. Congratulations.
We welcome you to Government House this afternoon, Commandant of 5 and your entourage. Welcome you. And we want to also thank you for allowing Yusuf to be posted to Government House. It's one young man that has been serving in different capacity, and he has been found worthy in all the area he has served. And when he arrived in the state, we applied that he comes to Government House through CSO. I want to thank you for obliging posting him to Government House. And I want to also commend you for the collaboration and cooperation we had with Mopo 5 under your leadership. Recently, I was in Ogida Barracks to commission a project that was done by one of our Amazon Oscar. And the comments that I had during that commission shows, and the cordiality I saw, not among the officers only, but even the officers' wives and family. The relationship I saw there, I know cannot be made possible if not for your leadership and collaboration and the joy of God. So I want to really commend you seriously, and that collaboration will continue to foster among us. And today we are celebrating Yusuf for being promoted to a new rank. The charge for you is that
you have been promoted, it's more responsibility for you. All that you've been doing, they have not earned you query, but have earned you acolyte and earned you promotion. You have to step up now. And because new rank is new responsibility and more work to be done. I know you are a very calm and gentle officer. I know that God will help you. And my prayer for you is that God continue to guide you, protect you. This period of insecurity in our country, may God use people like you and others to help us calm situation. And may you and all of us that have been given the responsibility to provide security, may God continue to protect all of us and our families. And I also want to congratulate CSO, because there are many of your government house people that have been promoted. So that one, I have to also congratulate you. Because I'm sure when people are working under you and they are being promoted consistently, it's your luck also. But when they are not being promoted, it can be organ luck. It's not making us be promoted. But now, organ luck is bringing promotion. So, I have to congratulate you too. And for others that are expectant of promotion, we pray that God will make their own promotion come early. And the quota system will affect your promotion. Whether quota system or not, may God just touch their heart and give you all your promotion. Because I know that this promotion at times, they use quota system to block. And so when it comes to your time, the quota system will block you. I know I speak from experience because I was in this service before and I know how these things come. So I want to thank God, and we are so happy with our own and through Him to others. We will have to watch it too. We will watch the promotion, and all of us that have come to join in this celebration. Yes, we have to celebrate the promotion. We have to watch. We have to watch the program. So we have to watch this one. So congratulations. Thank you, sir. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.